Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So this is my SeaWorld part of the vlog. Like I said, I was going to do my phone instead because it wasn't going to export. So this was the map they gave us, and now
it's just water.
no, but it has a sign with the fake, you don't see the fake seals? Burning. Now we were waiting on the line to get our, we didn't know that we saw people getting like bands for the all-day dining, so we got that, and then we got our cups. So the green band, that's for all-day dining, so all you have to do is get a scan, which is so much better.
Right there,
See it where?
Right there. They're right there.
Oh. They're so far though. Don't hit the glass. I'm waiting for it to get closer. Oh god.
Alright, let's go.
Seals, I think. Still.
Oh my god.
Oh, it is so hot. I'm glad I brought my hat, and my face is sweating off. Oh, Jonathan, look, the types of seals you were telling me right there.
Right there on the board.
Look, there's so many.
Welcome to the Pacific Point Preserve Marine Conservation Center. My name is Dr. Zalopis. Now, all of our animals play an active role here as we learn about conservation efforts here going on at the center and right next door at the Pacific Point Preserve. Now, I do want to introduce to you one of the California sea lions that calls the preserve home. It's Seymour.
What's his name?
Yeah, that's the guy that saw
Seymour, it is very good to see you. What an entrance. Now, California sea lions, like Seymour and all of his friends, can be found all along the western coast of North America. They vary in size, weighing as little as 200 pounds or as much as 1,000 pounds. Seymour weighs about 500, so he has more growing to do. We'll actually see more of Seymour a little later on in the tour. I need to find some pictures. Okay, Neutron, I know it's your first day, but listen, I have a very important job for you. This is the plan for all of these lovely people. We have to stay on task. Keep this safe for me.
Alright, deep breaths, I can do this. Alright, don't worry about that, you can count on me.
Okay, great. I'm going to check on the otters. I'll be right back. Neutron, you're new around here. Don't touch anything.
I won't, Dr. Snuffleupagus. Wow, I cannot believe it is my first day. I'm already in charge of something. This is awesome, right, campers? Yeah, I know. And you guys know what they say about first impression. You only get one. So mine is already on its way to be the best. I was just minding my own business.
Where's Seymour going?
I don't know.
Neutron, we need to fix this.
Alright, hold on. Give me some rain. Have this.
That's not working.
What are they?
No, try something lower.
You saw that Seymour?
Oh, you fixed it. I think that was a close one. I thought the water was just... Whoa! Oh no, your baby.
I'm not yelling at me at the door. Get back here, you little rascal. I saw you.
What are you doing?
I was looking over your sacred plan.
I forgot I gave it to you. Yes, please take out my plan and tell everybody what's next on the tour.
Alright. Otters are the next thing on the tour, right?
Really? I thought otters were last. Okay, well, if you say so, let's see if Opie Otter is ready to meet everybody. Oh, well, everyone, this is Valerie, Opie Otter's friend. Say hello, Valerie.
Hi, Valerie.
Oh, here's Opie Otter. Neutron, you were
He was
right.
up there. I saw him up
Look how
there.
cute Opie Otter is. Now, Opie Otter is a fully grown Asian small-clawed otter. So yes, this is not a baby, it's an adult. They are the smallest species of otters found throughout the world. Now, Neutron, you see how he's using his tiny little paws? Those paws are partially webbed. It also helps them swim and hold tightly to objects.
Yeah, like the plan for the tour.
Exactly. Wait, what?
Showing it.
Nothing, Val. Otter and Opie look like your best friends.
Oh, they are. Oh, let's hear for Otter and Opie. Otter, everybody.
Nice round of applause for that little scene.
Yeah. Wait, what?
No.
This is a locust.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Ladies and gentlemen, here at the center, we study the food sources and the eating behaviors of all the animals in our care. This helps us understand how we can help sustain wild populations. Now, at the moment, I do need the help of a volunteer. Who would like to help me? Well, what about you right there? Yeah, on the end. Hi, what's your name? Lily. Hello, Lily. My name is Dr. Dolphins. Where are you from? She's from Texas. Let's give Lily a warm welcome. All right, Lily, we're going to meet Clyde, okay? Come follow me. I have some food right over here. Sea lions eat about 20 pounds of fish every single day. Well, hello, Clyde. You're going to help me feed Clyde. How about that? Now, each fish is packed with nutrients. It gives them all of this energy. So I'm going to show you what you're going to do. You're going to take a fish and throw it right there in his mouth. Are you ready? Oh, wow. You are natural, Lily. All right, do one more. Perfect. Now, fun fact. All marine mammals, they need fresh water just like we do, but they get all of the fresh water they need by eating the fish that they eat, right? They don't drink the water that they swim in because it's salt water, right? So we're going to say thank you by taking a photo of you. Who's taking your photo? Who's responsible for Lily? I see you distance yourself from your child. Okay, you stay right there, Clyde. You want to stand right next to Clyde. Okay, stay, Clyde. Perfect. You're so handsome. Look at your camera, Lily, up there. Perfect. Everyone, let's say sardines! Sardines! Okay, Clyde, you're so handsome. Lily, great job. Thank you so much.
Dr. Zephyr Hills, I've been looking. Hey, found Clyde. He's right here.
Yes, Newton, welcome back. You actually missed Lily. Listen, I have a pop quiz for you. How tall do you think sea lions are?
Well, just by looking at him, I would guess maybe like 3 or 4 feet probably.
Oh, 3 or 4 feet. Yeah, check again.
Watch out, watch out.
Now!
Yeah, it's big.
Oh, this hammerhead sharks! This hammerhead sharks! This hammerhead sharks.
I don't know.
What, there are seahorses up there. You can see them.
Be careful, don't stand on there.
Look, hammerhead.
Huh? You
That's a tiger. Oh, look at that.
what?
That's a huge stingray. Wait, that's a butterfly fish.
Where?
Right there, right there. Look, it's a butterfly fish.
Anything else you see? What else?
I see that.
What's that fish over there called?
I think it's a
Back there, the gray one.
Where?
Right there, the gray one, yes.
That's a hammerhead shark.
Oh.
Look at the manta rays. There's a horseshoe crab right there.
Yeah, I see it in the back. Do you want a bear?
Do you just like summon it?
Yeah. So I just fast forward this now. As you will see in this vlog, I didn't really go on really many roller coasters. I'm not a roller coasters person personally. I went on some kiddie ones with my brother, but other than that, I just can't. My heart, I just can't do it. So this is my brother. I ended up getting him a bear, myself a bear, and then when my sister got off a ride with my mom, I ended up getting her a bear as well. But so yeah, that's what happened. We went to build a bear while we were waiting after the crib. I mean, it's Antarctica. I would hope it's cold. I don't know. Not that close. Not too close. Freezing in here, but these penguins are cute. It's Antarctica for a reason. Gotta make sure. Okay, so this is the first thing we did for our all dining deal. I ended up getting rice and orange chicken and cheesecake. You could get a drink. We already had the cups that I showed you guys before, so we just refilled that the whole day.
Something nice to look at while you walk around.
Get it.
Oh, there's two of them. Look, there's two.
You can see it though. Look up there, Jonathan. You love, this is like your favorite stuff.
There's so many.
You have to stay one side down.
There's like clownfish in here too. Look at this. Look at this little guy.
Yeah, I see him.
Wait, this is one of the fish I'm finding Nemo. Like a big scare.
What is that?
Monster trap.
Fish, they look like the ones we saw in Hawaii.
You saw the lobster there?
Yeah, I saw. Don't stop thing the glass though. Jonathan, stay here.
That's a sand tiger shark.
Is it what?
That's a sand tiger.
Oh.
It's a small tooth.
You know how they do the school of fish? Yeah.
That's a monster.
Oh, I missed that one. Look at Jonathan, you see it?
Wait, that's a sawfish.
Oh.
This is scary when my fish died.
I know. That's why I don't have my flash for Oh, wait.
Look at its mouth. It's a mammal. Look at its mouth. Its mouth looks so That's not. I know. That's a nurse shark. That's a nurse shark.
Oh.
It's kind of tired. This way.
The stingrays, but it's different type of sharks, I think. No, I do see a few sharks in there too. Alright, I'm not going that close.
Damas y caballeros, ¿podría tener su atención, por favor? Si usted está ahí para ver nuestro destino,
up on these characters. You sing. Okay, let's go. Do not ring doorbell. What's gonna happen if we ring it? Where? Oh, right here. Look. Come press it. I'll press it. He said he's trying to sleep here. Scram. Yeah, because they have to make it to match the show. Oh look, they even have a big bird thing. We already rang it. There's nothing that happens.
These behaviors keep the whales active and engaged. As Orcinus orca, or more commonly referred to as killer whales. Here at SeaWorld, we like to call them Katina, Milani, Malia, Trua, and Makayo, our killer whale family. Makayo is our youngest whale at just 12 years old, and his mother Katina is our oldest whale. And this year she celebrated her 47th birthday! Katina. Now you'll notice that a portion of her body from her dorsal fin down to her tail flukes is still in the water. That's the powerhouse of the killer whale, also known as the peduncle. And with that peduncle still in the water, we really wouldn't get an accurate weight. So we've solved this by simply asking the whales to lift those tails up and out of the water. Training that posture enables us to ensure accuracy. So we know our younger whales are growing properly and our older whales are maintaining a healthy weight.
And the care isn't just physical.
From the stage, so when you see it, let's cheer for Katina! All right, right side of the stage.
For them to call my name. It was